Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Ever find yourself constantly switching between apps, starting tasks, and then immediately getting distracted? Feels like your attention span is shrinking by the second, right? Don't worry, you're not alone. Let's talk about the smartphone in our hands. We love our devices, but they can be huge attention suckers. Notifications popping up every second. It's enough to make anyone feel on edge. Try turning off those pesky notifications, especially for social media. And if you're really feeling brave, put your phone in another room while you're working. Out of sight, out of mind. You'll be amazed at how much more you get done. Now let's talk about deep work. Deep work is all about giving your full, undivided attention to one task at a time. It sounds almost impossible in today's world of constant distractions, but it's like a superpower once you master it. One technique I love is the Pomodoro technique. Set a timer for 25 minutes and work on one task without any distractions. No checking your phone, no answering emails, just pure, unadulterated focus. Once the timer goes off, you get a 5-minute break. Let's talk about mindfulness and meditation. Mindfulness isn't about becoming a monk or anything like that. It's simply about paying attention to the present moment without judgment. Think of it like this. Our minds are like puppies. They love to wander off and chase squirrels, right? Mindfulness is like gently guiding that puppy back to you. One simple practice is focusing on your breath. Just sit or lie down in a comfortable position, close your eyes if you'd like, and notice the natural rhythm of your breath. Don't try to change it, just observe it. When your mind wanders, and it will, those puppies are persistent. Just gently guide it back to your breath. Even just 5 minutes of meditation a day can make a world of difference. You'll be amazed at how much calmer and more focused you feel. You know how we exercise to keep our bodies in shape? Well, our brains need workouts too. We want to build that mental endurance. One of the best ways is by reading. I'm talking about diving into a good old-fashioned book. But hey, reading isn't the only way to train your brain. How about a good puzzle? Crosswords, Sudoku. Let's talk about the importance of sleep. We all know we need it, but are we getting enough? And I'm not talking about those nights where you're up watching late-night talk shows. Think of your brain like a phone. After a long day of scrolling and working, that battery is drained. Sleep is like plugging your brain into the charger, allowing it to rest and recharge. Aim for 7 to 8 hours of sleep each night. It's amazing how much of a difference it makes. So there you have it, folks. 5 simple yet powerful tips to help you regain control of your attention span. Remember, it's about making small, consistent changes that add up to big results. Improved focus leads to better productivity, deeper relationships, and more creativity. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. Until next time, stay focused and stay fabulous.